In the everyday hustle, there's a quiet curiosity, a desire for something more. Today, I'm taking a moment to explore new possibilities, starting with what's in the palm of my hand. Join me on this journey where Byte Federal empowers us to boldly reshape our financial future. Let's get started. Welcome to ByteWallet, your gateway to financial empowerment where secure and seamless Bitcoin transactions are just a tap away. Open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for ByteWallet, then click download. Begin your journey with ByteWallet by registering and setting up your wallet. It's your key to purchasing, swapping, sending, and securely storing your digital currencies. First, select Get Started Now. Follow the prompts to enter your personal phone number. Then, enter the security code sent to you via text to verify your phone number. Next, follow the prompts to enter your name, email, and social security number. Now it's time for FaceTech. FaceTech is a security measure ByteWallet uses to match your face with your picture ID. To complete the process, line your face up with the circle on the screen. FaceTech will then scan your face twice, once with a small frame and once with a large frame. Next, follow the prompts to scan the front and back of your ID. Lastly, create a unique ByteWallet username. Once you have completed your ByteWallet registration, it's time to set up your wallet. First, from the home screen, select Add Wallet. Next, select Bitcoin. ByteWallet will display a 12-word unique mnemonic seed phrase. Securely storing your mnemonic seed phrase is crucial for safe and exclusive access to your digital assets, even in case of device loss or failure. Confirm your seed phrase and begin your journey to financial empowerment with ByteWallet. Discover over 1,000 trusted Byte Federal Bitcoin ATMs across the US, built in-house for your security and convenience. Use ByteWallet's intuitive ATM locator to find one near you. Open the ByteWallet app and navigate to the ATM location feature. Use location services to find nearby Byte Federal Bitcoin ATMs on a map. To find out more details about a location, click on it. You will then be able to see the address, hours of operation, and the ability to get directions. Prepare for your first Bitcoin purchase and take control of your financial future. Verify fees and limits for a smarter transaction. To begin your Bitcoin ATM transaction, select Login. You will then be prompted to enter your phone number and security code sent via text message to your smartphone. After that, select Buy Crypto and choose Bitcoin. Now open ByteWallet and choose Receive. Next, scan the QR code on the bottom right hand of the machine with the barcode scanner. Then, insert your cash. Our machines do not accept $1 or $5 bills, so be prepared with larger denominations. To complete your Bitcoin purchase, select Done and choose how you would like to receive your receipt. Select either text or email. Today, we went over how to download ByteWallet, find a Byte Federal Bitcoin ATM near you, and how to purchase Bitcoin into your wallet. Byte Federal offers you the perfect balance of security and convenience. Stay up to date with Byte Federal on our website and social media. Thanks for joining us on this Bitcoin journey. Follow us for the latest in Bitcoin and financial empowerment.